Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and welcome to video number 2 of the Financial Literacy 101 video series. All right, now in video 1, I talked about having to shift your mindset before you can actually shift your income, right? Which is very important, and it has to go in that order because if you don't have the right mindset, then you're not going to be able to change your income. So, what I'm going to be talking about in this video is called the bloody mess. All right, now you may be watching this and you're probably like, well, what is the bloody mess and what does that have to do with financial literacy? All right, so first things first, we're going to be talking about credit, okay? And what you're actually paying versus what you think you're paying, okay? And trust me, you're going to have some eye openers in this video and it may even upset you, all right? It may even upset you, but just stick with me to the end, and I may look over here from time to time. That's just because I have my notes written right over there and I have the scenario already lined out for you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start. Let's say that you have a $5,000 credit card. All right, now you're going to take what you owe, which is $5,000. Right now, let's say that you're paying $100 a month on that $5,000 credit card. All right. Now, I'm going to be real conservative with the interest rate because we know the interest rates on credit cards can be quite ridiculous. All right. But we're going to go conservative and I'm going to say 21%. Right now, that means that you're paying $100 a month and you got a 21% interest rate. But what most people don't calculate is the actual monthly rate that they're going to be paying per month. Right now, how do you find that? So what you're going to do is you're going to take that 21% and you're going to divide that by 12. Okay, that's going to get you divided by 12 months, which is for a whole year. When you do that, that's going to leave you with $1.75. Now, to get what you need to get to actually multiply by the $5,000, right? You need to do 1.75, which is what you got from taking 21% divided by 12. And you're going to divide that by 100. When you do that, you're going to get 0.0175. Now, you're going to take 0.0175 times 5,000, which is the balance, your full balance for your credit card, right? And that's going to leave you with $87.50 a month. Now, remember, you're paying $100 a month. And basically what it's saying is your interest payment out of that 100, 87.50 is going to interest. So what does that mean is going towards your principal? That means that $12.50 is going towards the actual principal. $12.50 is going to the principal while $87.50 is going to interest. Okay? I'm not done. I'm not done. It gets even crazier. All right. So let's keep going. So we understand that $12.50 is what's actually going towards the credit card. All right. Now we're gonna look at your reality. What you can actually see at this point. So we're gonna take your full balance of $5,000. And we're going to divide that by $12.50, which is the amount of payments that they're actually putting towards your credit card. And once you do 5,000 divided by $12.50, you get 400. So that means it's going to take you 400 months to pay off that $5,000 credit card. All right. So what is 400 months? So we do 400 divided by 12. That's going to give us 33 years. So that means it's going to take you 33 years to pay off a $5,000 credit card. 33 years. Okay? And I'm still not done. All right, so let's keep going. So how much, the magic question is, how much does the bank make off your $5,000 credit card? All right, so you're paying $100 a month. Remember that, right? And it's going to take you 400 months based off the fact that they're only putting $12.50 towards your actual credit card. That means that the bank is going to make $40,000 off of your $5,000 credit card. Let me say that one more time. You're paying $100 a month for a $5,000. That's what you can afford to pay, right? Now, 100 times 400 is $40,000 that the bank is making off your $5,000 credit card. Guys, I'm not laughing because of the ignorance. I'm telling you, I'm laughing because of the awareness that I just brought onto you and the awareness that I had when this was shown to me. That's why I have like a little smirk on my face, because I'm just like, that is the craziest thing ever. And most people don't know that that's what they're doing, and they don't realize. Look, guys, I could show you my paper, guys, like literally. Well, you probably can't. Okay, so there it is right there, right? Do you see that? $40,000, right? $40,000 off of your $5,000, right? And the reason that happens is because of capitalism, right? So basically, it's like this: I give you $1, right? I loan you $1, and I want you to pay me, right? I want you to pay me. For the next 8 months, I want you to pay me 83 cents. But you remember, I only loaned you $1. So why do I want 83 cents for 8 months? Because after two 83 cents, you already paid me off. But in reality, this is what's happening to people when it comes to credit. And that same formula that we just used, right? Let me say it so you can actually have it. It's you owe, you pay, your interest rate, your monthly rate, your interest payment, the principal payment, your reality, your sentencing, that's what we call it, because that's a sentence right there, and your bank and what your bank earns. That same strategy, you can literally use that, right, to calculate how much you're going to be paying for your car. How much you're going to be paying for this credit card? How much you're going to be paying for? It can even work for like installment loans as well. But guys, 400 months, and they making $40,000 off of your $5,000 credit card. Does that not piss you off? Does that not piss you off? Maybe you don't have a $5,000 credit card. Maybe you got a $10,000 credit card, or maybe you got a $3,000 credit card. I don't know. But guys, this is why it's important for you to understand financial literacy, right? That's the real reason I'm putting together this series for you, because it's super valuable to have the information. So guys, that's pretty much it for this specific video. But in video number 3, which is coming next, we're going to learn how you can leverage what the government has given you the ability to do to get yourself out of that situation. All right, so stay tuned for video 3. This was video 2. I hope it was super valuable for you and you got tons of value. And with that being said, I definitely look forward to seeing you on the next video, because you're gonna love it. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.